Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to day one of our Unit 2 and Week 3 of Word Analysis. And we are going to be talking about prefixes this week, and some of them may be a review for us, but that's okay because a little bit of review is always a good thing. So, remember that the first thing we're going to review is that prefixes are added to the beginning of a word, and they change the meaning of the word, and they normally come from a Latin root or a Latin background. So this week we're going to focus on the Latin prefixes dis, re, and non, and pre. So the prefix to begin with, the prefix dis means the opposite of or not, but we're going to focus on primarily with it meaning not. The prefix re means again or to do again. The prefix non also means not. So there is a similarity between dis and non. And then the prefix pre means before. So we're going to go ahead and jump in and get started. I am going to give you a preview of your spelling words for Unit 2, Week 3. Our story is called Scene 2, and our word list is dishonest, dislike, reread, nonfiction, nonsense, pre-arrange, pre-cook, pre-mix, pre-select, and preview. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at, we're going to break these up, but I wanted you to have the whole list because, of course, I want you practicing and studying each day, because I know that you are going to be on top of it, on target, and ready to take your spelling test at the end of this week. So let us begin with the prefix dis, meaning opposite, or what we're going to focus on is not. Now, let's take a look at our first word, which is dislike. So I'm going to look at the word dislike. I'm going to find my root word or base word, however you want to refer to it. And you'll see here that I have highlighted it. So it is the word like. Okay, I left my prefix, but I highlighted for you what my base word is. So I've highlighted it for you in yellow. My prefix is dis, and it means not. So I know that happy means feeling or showing pleasure or being content. So dislike is not showing or feeling pleasure or contentment. So I disliked or I dislike that type of music. My music taste is different from someone else's, so I dislike that type of music. All right, good job. So let's take a look at our next slide here. We're going to look at the word now, dishonest. We're going to find the root word once again together, you and I. And as we did before, or as I did before, now we're going to look at it together. It is the word honest, and I've highlighted it in yellow. And again, my prefix means what, boys and girls? Exactly. It means not. Good job. I knew you were listening. So we know that honest means free of deceit, sincere. So we know that by adding the prefix dis to the beginning of the word, that it now means free of deceit or not sincere. So let's change over real quick. Let's look at the prefix re. It means again. Our first spelling word with re is reread. We begin with finding the base word, which is read, and I've highlighted it for you. So if I tell you to reread your story before the test, then you understand that I want you to read it again. So the prefix re tells you the new meaning of the word read. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap up our first day of word analysis, and I will see you again tomorrow with a few more words and day 2. Have a great night. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.